Today let's talk about control structures in Java language. Generally, the flow of any program is in a sequence, but in some situations it becomes necessary to make a decision and change the flow of the program according to the conditions. When a program breaks the sequential flow and jumps to another part of the code, it is called branching. Looping is the process of repeatedly executing a block of statements until some conditions for the termination of the loop are satisfied. If statement tests the condition if it executes the if block if condition is true. If statement syntax if then here will be the condition in the bracket and inside block if the condition true inside block code to be executed, then normally the outside block will be executed. If the condition is false, then normally the outside block will be executed. In the false state, the inside block will not be executed. Let's see the flow chart. If we have condition for if statement, the condition if the condition is true, the inside block will execute, then normally outside block will be execute. Or if the condition is false, then normally the outside block will be execute. It will not execute inside the block. Let's see the example for if statement. Let's open Notepad editor. Class if example, public static void main string args write integer variable age equal to 20 if condition age greater than 18, if the condition is true, then inside block system .print.len age is greater than 18. If the condition is true, age is 20. If 20 is greater than 18, then inside block this message will be print. Or if age is less than 18, then outside block will be execute. Let's close bracket. System.out.println out side block. In both condition, this outside block will be executed. If the condition is false, this message will be executed. If the condition is true, this both this message and this also both message will be print. So let's save desktop demo and write the same as a class name, example .java. So let's open the demo directory, press shift in keyboard and right click, open command window here, java c which is Java compiler, if example the Java, now it will be compiled, so we don't have any error. We got the compilation file which is byte file. This is the class file. Let's run the program. Java if example, press enter, age is greater than 18 and outside block both message is printed. Or if the condition is false, for example, we are writing here the 7, so let's save the file and again compile the file and run the file. See, we have only one message here. So thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, share, if you like, thumbs up, and if you have any query, so write it down below on the comment section.